Breakfast for today, guys. I have something from Delicious Diet, and then I have green tea. I connected my Bose speaker, which I got from the Ad Summit event. And my morning jam is none other than Renee Dominique. I met her during the after party, and oh my goodness, her voice. Nakakalokang voice. Sobrang ganda. Go subscribe to her channel. Sobrang ganda. Pakinggan ninyo.
Naghahanap ka ng maaaya, bakit sadyang wala kang magawa? Nagsasayang ng bawat oras ang wala. Hala.
Welcome back to another vlog, guys. So we are heading to a meeting this morning, and then after the meeting we're gonna go to Svelte Eye, which is a skincare center. Skincare tama? Yeah, Svelte Eye. I first heard of them through Joyce. Tapos sabi ni Joyce, she loves her facials over there. Kaya today we're gonna try it out under Beauty M&L. We have an ongoing deal sa Deal Grocer. So that's really awesome. I have light makeup on since tanggalin din naman later. Yeah, so tomorrow is my sister's graduation. I actually have a couple of events, but I'll be skipping all of them para lang sa graduation. And then we'll be flying to Cebu early in the morning on June 3. So that's gonna be until the 5th. Tapos June 6 is my birthday, pero we'll be working kasi it's the StyleCon event and I'll be hosting that event. So I'm so excited. Done with the meeting at Banapo. I'm with Franz na ayaw magpakita sa vlog. And now we're here sa Ginang Bukid. Sabi ni Franz, sobrang sarap daw dyan. Ano ito, mga brownies, ganon? Oh, bread and bread. Sa Il Terrazzo, guys.
Very, very healthy.
Yeah.
Walnut brownies. Walnut brownies.
Yeah, may mga cookies din sila. Bongga. Bread. Look at this, guys! Ang galing! Nakita siya ni Fran sa, keeping it together ba? I think dun galing yung mga luggage, holder ko. Oh my God! Silicone siya. Spill-proof.
Taking a bath.
Yeah. Ang dahil pang color, diba? Cute! I love it. Magkano isa?
I think it's around 300 each.
One. Okay.
Tapos, it has labels na, built-in labels.
Oh shit, ang galing, girl!
You just have to twist it.
Just finished with the facial, guys. So if you want to watch what happens or what went down during the facial, I'll have a separate video on that. But today, in this vlog, we are also going to be trying out their micro lift. So here at Svelte Eye, yung micro lift daw, it really lifts up your face. Para siyang, you can say para siyang Botox, pero wala siyang injectable. So yun, it really firms up your face daw. So bongga. And then after that, we're also gonna be trying out thermogenesis ba yun? I forgot. But it's yung parang papasok ka sa capsule, tapos it's for slimming. So yes, we're gonna try it out. Nakatulog ako. Medyo sobrang sarap ng facial massage and all of that. I love it. So this is the machine that they're gonna use for the micro lift. So for pore tightening daw siya, tsaka for lifting. Bongga, ang daming wires. Hanggang neck siya.
Yes, mom.
Talagang dito, side lang talaga siya, no?
Kasi later, she's gonna do something pa here.
Lalagyan niyo dito?
She's gonna do something.
Oh, okay. Cool. So, during the session daw, i-add yung collagen gel. For what siya?
For tightening also and lifting effect.
Wow,
Parang,
bongga.
it's like a additional effect of the microcurrent and of course also the gel.
Wow. That's Doc Lalaine. Ayaw niya magpakita sa vlog. And then guys, yung current dito, makifeel mo, parang stop and go siya. Very tolerable. I like it.
Okay naman.
Ramdam sa eyeballs na nakakaloka. I love it. Time for AccuFirm, guys. Sasabay siya sa mask. So this is the device that they'll be using for the abdomen and the arms. Ayan. Love it. Now, while we're doing that, we're gonna proceed to the mask. medyo sinira ko yung dito sa part kasi my contact lenses are getting dry. Colors. So, I suggest if you go in for a treatment, don't wear any makeup, don't wear any contact lenses. Yeah. I feel like the Hollow Man. Yung movie Hollow Man. Hi. Goodness, nag-stuck sa eyelashes ko, guys. I'm breaking the rules. Kailangan 30 minutes na, pero contact lens ko kasi. Oh my goodness. Mask is finally off, guys, and my skin feels really good. As in, glowing siya. Which is why I love the collagen mask. I love it. Glowy, glowy. Now it's time for the thermogenic, guys. And this is yung sinasabi ko, yung parang capsule. Bongga. Papasok tayo dyan mamaya at papawisan ng bongga. Ayan yung itsura, guys. Cool. Okay. I-BP daw muna bago mag-start. Okay. Hindi kailangan na naka sunblock. Hindi naman.
Hindi naman.
Itong paa pwede mag-touch dito.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So, pwede tayo mag-turn every time.
Nag-flip over ako, guys. And, oh my gosh, I'm sweating. Mainit siya. And I'm watching Anne Klutz's vlog. I love it. Hi, Anne. On to my next appointment. We're gonna go look at some furniture for the apartment. Okay. Here at the furniture shop, guys. So, what I'm getting is this one. Chest of drawers plus ito. May drawers din siya and my mirror. So, I'm not sure if my clothes will fit in here. Pero since grabe yung 50% off kasi, okay na rin siguro. Yan. And this one. Medyo mababaw nga lang. But I like it. Synthetic leather. Okay na rin. Had dinner at home, guys. Now I'm back in the apartment and I'm so happy for my sister Iza. She's graduating tomorrow and sobrang perfect yung gift na nakuha niya. She joined one of the contests sa YouTube Creator Camp for Nescafe and she won a MacBook Pro, a Canon 700D, and an audio recorder. Sobrang coincidence because she's also, of course, bibigyan sa akin yung audio recorder. Kasi kahapon when we were at the L'Oreal event, the filming station, meron silang audio recorder and I really wanted to have one kasi bongga yun sa mga video. So, oh my god, sobrang bongga talaga. Ang galing niya gawa ng video. I'll have the link of her video in the information box and I actually told her na mag-YouTube na rin siya para bongga. So yun, ang dami kong kailangan ayusin. I have to pack tonight. Tomorrow is my sister's graduation. Tapos, maaga kasi may alis ng 3 kaya kailangan mag-ayos na ako. Yun lang, guys. That's it for today's video. Kailangan ko mag-edit para maka-upload ako agad. So, that's it. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Bye. Look who surprised me. Ano ba yan, B? Kala ko, may creepy dude na sa labas. Biglang si Mark, walang hiya, sumakit yung puso ko sa kakatakot kasi. Anyway, I'm rearranging everything. Inayos ko na rin yung curtain ko. I'm making some room para yung furniture pag dumating bukas. Bongga na.